All right, today we're going to be doing a lip and chin wax. Okay, so you guys can see this picture. The hairs are gray and they are super fine, super thin. That's because she comes in every 2 weeks to get a wax. That is too soon. I haven't been able to successfully catch up to her hair growth cycle because of how frequent she comes in to get wax. But with unwanted hair growth on the face for a lot of women, the sight of hair is so consuming. It's such an insecurity for so many women across the globe that I don't fight her on it. You know, I wish she would come in once a month, at least every 3 weeks, but I would like to get her to every 4 weeks. But that is just not something that she's willing to do. She is 73 years old and she had a hysterectomy, and then she's not on any type of hormone replacement. So that is why she is having the unwanted hair growth. You might see unwanted hair growth with clients who have PCOS or hair autism from PCOS, or just hair autism because it runs in their family. Unwanted hair growth can be the result of a lot of things, but for most women, it does have to do with hormones, okay? So I am trying out the Purple Seduction wax by Sexy Smooth Wax. They sent me over some samples. I'm actually really considering switching to this wax. I really like it. Now, for Miss Jones, my client in this video, because she comes so often to get wax, I really don't know that there's a wax out here that's going to be able to grip every single one of those hairs, because when she comes in 2 weeks later, there is always a lot of stubble left. And honestly, I do think she does a little bit of tweezing and shaving in between her wax appointments. So listen, she has lived on this earth for 73 years. She has raised her children. Now she's helping raise her grandson, her great-grandson. Oh, no, that's not her great. No, I take that back. Bash is not her great-grandson. That's her grandson. But she's raised her kids, okay? And so she has that luxury of, you know, if she wants to come in and get a wax every 2 weeks, that's her prerogative. But I always have to go in and tweeze. I spend about 15 minutes just getting the stubble out, you guys. So where it might take me 20 minutes to do a full chin and lip wax, it takes me about 30 to 40 minutes to complete a full chin and lip wax on Miss Jones. That's because she's coming in too frequently, and you know, so I have to tweeze a lot. Like, I haven't found the wax yet that can get those really tiny hairs, and I'm really honestly not expecting a wax to do that. If there is a wax that is that good, that can just get those hairs that are just barely breaking the surface, by all means, send it my way. I love to try it, but I have to go and I have to tweeze. Now, this is not a common step with majority. This is pretty much the only client. I have another client who I have to do some tweezing with, but not as much as I have to do with Miss Jones. But this is pretty much my only client where I have to do a little bit of tweezing to get a smooth, clean finish. I do love for her to walk out of my beauty bar with no hair, so I take my time. Don't be judgmental when you see someone with facial hair growth. As a woman, that could easily be you. Life changes, our body changes, anything can happen, and you could be someone that is dealing with this hormonal hair growth. Be kind.